Good evening, sir. I'm Gerald Alcain, BSMT, Marine Environment, Section S1 Air. Today, I will discuss the three topic. First, ballast water management or BWM. Second, anti-fouling system. 3, other contemporary regulation or requirement. So first, mag-discuss ta sa ito ballast water management. Ballast water is used to stabilize ship during transit, but it can introduce invasive species to new environment. The Ballast Water Management Convention BWMC, adopted by the International Maritime or IMO, requires ships to manage their ballast water to prevent the spread of harmful aquatic organisms. Ships must have a ballast water management plan and maintain a ballast water record book. They must also meet specific discharge standards often achieved throughout ballast water treatment system. So, kanina itong ballast water treatment, ginagamitan din nila og chlorine or UV light to kill any remaining organism. Mga na ginagamit pa mapatay na to ang mga gagmay na organism na maka-apekto sa tuwang barko, no? So dapat na to na neutralize to prevent harmful to the marine environment. So dapat i-prevent yun na to na. Throughout the treatment process, the system continuously monitor the water quality. So ginamonitor na to ng ang tubig to ensure that the treatment is effective. Para makita to kung effective ba itong gibuhat, wala ba yung bacteria makita. So lastly, ginabuhat kay gina-record data on the treatment process and any organism found in the ballast water. So ginalista yun na para sa to ang kuan, para ma-ensure po na to no na ato ang compliance with regulation. So hindi na punta sa sa itong kaduhang topic. The second topic is anti-fouling system. Anti-fouling system to prevent the accumulation of marine organism on the hull of the ship, which can affect performance and fuel efficiency. So maka-affect sa tuwang kuan na, guys, fuel kung di na to timanon prevent atong sana. So timanon ato ang anti-fouling system. The International Convention on the Control of Harmful Anti-Fouling System on Ship, EFS Convention, provides the use of harmful substances in anti-fouling ship, such as tributane, TBT, or modern anti-fouling system. Useless, harmful biodiesel or non-toxic alternatives like silicone-based coating. So mo na ang mga modern na itong pang kuhan sa to ang holding, guys, ipinturam so na, guys, para dili makuha na to ang barko, di madaot, di makuha sa organism, dili makuha dyan na to ang fuel. Mga gamit yung kayo ng anti-fouling system. So the third topic is other contemporary regulation of requirements. So atong third topic, mga example na siya 5 ka other contemporary regulation of requirements. MARPOL, marine pollution, MARPOL Annex 5, I6, air pollution na tong fuel mo ni nasa to mga requirements Marpol Annex 5 6 rather air pollution fuel na siya. So sikan na to ang sample energy efficient. So a ship energy efficient management plan. So gamit po kayo niya to ang energy management plan. So 3 sulfur cap since January 1, 2020 mo na niya to ang nikuha tong sulfur cap reduce 0.50% M-F. For the ballast water management, so i-discuss na nato to ganiya si ballast water management no. So invasive species o mo na si ballast water treatment. Polar Code, so Polar Code safety and environmental regulation. So mo lang to akong ma-discuss, sir. Thank you, salamat, and advance Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Thank you, sir.